Welcome back to New Motorcycle Riders. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Selecting a motorcycle that offers comfort, control, and confidence is crucial for shorter riders. Key factors to consider include seat height, weight, and ergonomics. Here are some motorcycles well suited for shorter riders in 2025. The 2025 Honda Rebel 1100. With a low-slung seat height of approximately 27 inches, the Rebel 1100 provides easy ground reach. Its cruiser design offers a relaxed riding position, making it ideal for both city commutes and longer journeys. The bike combines American cruiser aesthetics with Japanese engineering, delivering a blend of style and performance. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Nightster. Featuring a laden seat height of 27.1 inches and mid-mount foot controls, the Nightster is tailored for shorter riders. Its lightweight design enhances maneuverability, and the option for passenger accommodations adds versatility. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, equipped with the ErgoFit system, the Vulcan S allows riders to adjust the seat, handlebars, and foot pegs for a customized fit. The seat height of 27.8 inches and a low center of gravity make it accessible and easy to handle for shorter riders. The 2025 Honda Grom. The 2025 Honda Grom offers a compact design with a low seat height, making it suitable for shorter riders. Its lightweight frame and nimble handling are ideal for urban commuting. The Grom features a 123.9cc engine delivering 9.6 horsepower and a top speed of 60 mph. The 2025 BMW F900R. This model offers an adjustable seat height ranging from 30 to 34 inches, accommodating riders of various statures. The F900R is equipped with a range of features, including a 6.5-inch TFT screen, adaptive headlight, and various riding modes. Customization options for enhanced comfort. For riders seeking additional comfort and a personalized fit, Harley-Davidson offers accessories like reach seats and adjustable handlebars. These modifications can position the rider closer to the controls and lower the seat height, enhancing comfort and confidence. Considerations for shorter riders. When selecting a motorcycle, shorter riders should prioritize seat height. Lower seats facilitate easier ground contact. Weight. Lighter motorcycles are generally easier to maneuver. Ergonomics. Adjustable controls and seating positions can significantly improve comfort and control. Test riding various models is essential to determine the best fit for your individual comfort and riding style. Thank you for joining us today. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Also, leave us a comment.